Hello, you guys. I'm so excited. Our first 90-day run of 2025. And this one is going to be absolutely amazing. So many of you are brand new. Welcome. We've been experiencing record growth the last week. It's been absolutely exciting. So let me break down what a 90-day run is, who it's for, how you can access it, okay? And what I need you to do before tomorrow. So very important things. So first of all, a 90-day run is to equip you for success. It's literally a short video that I'm going to give you every day. And I'm going to show you here in a minute where you can find this video. It's not to replace anything, but to enhance everything. It's a 5-minute video on average every day with an action step. So the goal is, this is called the 90-day business growth sprint. I want you to help to grow over these next 90 days, right? So you're going to be equipped with messaging, with marketing, with how to get your automated system to convert, with mindset, right? Mindset is everything. And so it's just a 5-minute video every day to help you get to where you want to go. So the first question I have for you that you need to know before tomorrow is, what is your goal? What is your goal, your income goal over this next 90 days? And don't sell yourself short. So I want to push you for 30K in 90 days, which is about 12 customers a week. Sorry, that would be nice, right? 12 customers a month is it. 12 customers a month, and you're a little over 10,600 a month, which is about a little over 30,000 in 90 days. 12 customers, you guys, there's 5 billion people on social media. And so in this 90-day run, you're going to learn how to stand out. How can you stand out so you can stop the scroll, so people want to get to know, like, and trust you and buy from you? So that's the goal. Sometimes if we're like, I just want to get my first customer, you're aiming too low. I want you to raise your standards. I want to help you grow during this, right? And we're going to really learn how to master our time. That's one of the things that's so important. I don't want you to be working harder. I'm going to help you work smarter and leverage your time. Leverage this amazing system that we have. So that's the first thing I want you to, when you watch tomorrow's video, and that's the first thing, what is your income goal? Are you going to go for the 30K in 90 days? So if I was brand new listening to this, would I go for 30K in 90 days? Absolutely. What's the worst thing that can happen? You fall short, but you learn a bunch of new skills to help you just skyrocket the next 90 days. It's just a no-brainer, right? Just go for it. I want to help you grow in confidence. I want to help you grow in your mindset. I want to help you grow in your business growth, because what's going to happen is these next 90 days are going to lay a solid foundation for you to build a wildly successful business. So next, why 90 days? Because when you have all year, we procrastinate, okay? 90 days is a shorter run. A lot can happen in 90 days. Because it's easier to, like, okay, I only have 90 days. I got to get to going, right? So it creates an urgency. But also, what can happen over 90 days is new habits can be created. New mindset can be created. New business goals can be created. And new income can be made, right? So for example, in 2025, I want to make 100K. Then January goes and comes. February comes and goes. Like, I still got 10 months. We just learn to push things off, right? So that's why we do things in 90-day runs. I can't even share with you how many 6-figure income earners are created during this 90 days, because they have something to look forward to and take action on, okay? So that's why 90 days.